Hi everybody, so today I am passing out 3 recipes that people have recommended me from school to make no glue and no activator slime. So let's start. So first I'm just going to put all these there. And the first one, for all of them is body wash. So first thing I put in some body wash. And this body wash is like the body wash is like I don't know, it's just kind of like slimy. So this first one, just to mix it for 1 minute and then put it in the either fridge or freezer for 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the fridge. So I'm just going to put it in my fridge, or I'll put it in the freezer so that it won't take as long. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the next recipe, and this next one is to put in some body wash or shampoo. And then some salt. My salt barely comes out. It's kind of getting thicker. Like, it's kind of not like sticking to the bowl. So it's not quite ready yet. So it's kind of like it doesn't really stick to your hand. So I guess it's kind of the slime, but it's still like sticky, and you can feel like the salt clumps. So I'm not sure, is this a fail or not? Please tell me, because I don't really know whether this is slime or not. So yeah, let's just move on to the next one. This next one is very different. It's so basically you need to have flour and baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. So just gonna put some of that in, and then I'm gonna put some of this in. It didn't really say what you need to put in, how much you need to put in, I mean. So I'll just do that for a minute. Yeah, it is actually kind of working. So I think I just put in some more flour. I don't know. Yeah. I'll just add in some more flour. And now I use my hands. I need to wipe them off. So look is kind of like I mean kind of I need more flour in it. So got another spoon. That might have been too much. Oh well. Sorry that you can't really see it. I was gonna do this. There we go. So here it is. Kind of just like dough. I mean, it's not really doing anything. So I think, well, it's not a fail, but it's not slime. So it's success, but it's not really slime, so I guess it's like a dough. So yeah, this wasn't really a success, but then it is because it turned into something. So yeah, if you like dough, then this is a recipe for dough. So yeah. I'm just gonna wipe my hands off. And just wet this off. Put this in there. Now I'm going to get the other one from the freezer. The bowl's stuck. So it just slides around. So here it is. Actually gone like it's kind of funny, a bit weird. I don't even know whether it's worked because it's like really stretchy, but then like, oh my god, that's like super stretchy, but then it kind of hasn't worked because I can't like play with it in my hands, so I'm just gonna put still a bit of flour in there. See if anything will happen. As I thought, nothing. Didn't do anything, so this made it clumpy. But like, this is kind of slime. I will do another video. I will do like a part 2 of this, and I'll just put this back in the freezer for a little bit, and I'll just do another video later, because yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it, and you can try these if you like and see if they work for you, and if they do, then tell me, and I'll tell me what I did wrong, and yeah. Maybe I got given fake recipes, maybe not, but guys, I just really want to show you this stretch. Like, whoa. Cool. It's kind of like slime, so I'll put this back in the freezer, and I will see you guys next time.